In this video, I will show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are on my desktop. I've got this video that I'm going to use as an example. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser to do this. And what you want to do is come across to google.com, make sure you're signed into the account, the Google account that you want to upload your video to. And once you're on google.com, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you want to click onto this icon here, which says Google Apps. Now what that's going to do is load up all these different apps, and from here you're going to see Drive. Give that a click and that's going to take you across to your Google Drive. Alternatively, what you can do is come up to your address bar and just type drive.google.com. Now once you're on your Google Drive, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and if you look in the top left hand corner, you're going to see this button which says New. So give that a click. What that's going to do is open a menu like this, and on this menu come and click onto File Upload. Once you've done that, you're going to get a window open like this, which is your File Explorer. Now from here, you just need to locate the video that you want to upload to your Google Drive. So I'm going to come over to the left and click onto desktop, as the video was on my desktop. So it was this one here. So once you've located it, just double click, and what it's going to do, as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, is start uploading the video to your Google Drive. Once the video has finished uploading, what you can do is come over to the left hand side. On this menu, if you click onto Recent, and what it's going to do is show the video straight at the top. This is going to be the quickest way to find the video you've uploaded. Now to actually share this, all you need to do once you've found the video is come over to the right hand side, click onto the three dots which says More Actions, and on this menu that comes up, come and hover over Share, and then click the share button on the sub menu that comes up. What that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here where it says general access, you want to change this from restricted to anyone with the link. Now once you've done that, you can also set the permission. So if you just want people to view the video, of course you want to leave this selected to viewer, but of course you can change the role. So if you want people to be a commenter or an editor, and then all you need to do is click the copy link button here. Once that's done, you can send this however you want to, so whether that's via an email or Messenger, or whichever method you choose to share the link for your video. So that's how to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.